Backyard is gorgeous. I love it.
Well, thank you, thank you. We worked on it pretty good. We worked on the yard pretty good.
I like these window treatments too. These are very unique.
Yeah, we added those. We added hurricane shutters in the fronts and the top.
A lot of beautiful detail.
Thank you.
Very tall doors. Very nice custom shower. Shelf. Very large linen closet. Walk in. Some nice organizing shelves. This must be 9-foot doors. Very, very large.
Yeah, we were very fortunate. We were the first to pick a lot back here.
Yeah, it's a great lot.
Because it was the deepest set.
Mm-hmm.
And of course you got Bon Secours back here, so you're not going to have a backyard neighbor.
Right. Yep. Nobody could get closer to the bay.
You can see where the lot goes back to, I think. You can see this pink ribbon. There's one right over in that corner.
Mm-hmm.
And then there is, you can barely see it in that saw palmetto back there.
Yep.
If
Yep.
you come right this way, see it right through those two trees?
I do, right there. Okay. Awesome. Perfect. Thank you.
So we put in a garden, we put in that banana tree out there.
Mm-hmm.
It is really grown. Yeah, I mean, it was about 2 foot tall to start with, 2 months ago.
Really?
And it's probably 4.5 feet now.
That is crazy growth.
And the guy told us it may have bananas in the spring. It probably have bananas in the spring.
That's awesome.
We planted an orange tree on the side, not only for oranges, but for cover on that side.
A little bit of privacy, sure.
A little bit of privacy, and we hadn't really done anything as far as privacy because we hadn't really had anybody moving in until these people next door started building.
Right.
And, but another unique feature we have our own private golf cart driveway.
Oh, cool.
Which is against HOA, but
They let you
our
do?
builders built it, and HOA says, well, there's nothing you can do about it, so we have to keep it.
Well, that's
So
awesome.
I've got my own private golf cart.
I like that. I'll check that out when I go outside. Looks like it's stopping raining a little bit now.
Yeah.
Got a powder room. Are these 9-foot doors?
Uh-huh.
These are awesome.
Yeah, if you're 7 foot tall, you can live in this house.
Laundry. This leads to the garage. Pass through. And they've got the golf cart garage door. Cabinets over there. 2 additional bedrooms. Nice size.
Yeah, you can see those beds I put together. That frame was just laying in the floor and I threw that mattress on.
I gotcha. Got a Jack and Jill set up here between these 2 bedrooms. Nice tile. Cast iron tub. Let's see how big these closets are. These are good sized closets. 2 of them. Large windows in these bedrooms. LVP flooring throughout.
Of course, the master suite is upstairs.
Okay. Oh. Awesome. Going up to the master.
I didn't turn the lights on because I don't like climbing upstairs.
I gotcha. This is an additional bedroom up here. Plantation shutters. Look out on the front of the house. Carpet up here, as you can see. This is a bigger bedroom for sure than the guest bedrooms downstairs. Except for the other master. Actually, that's not a master bedroom. The homeowner had said it was master up here, but that is not a master bedroom. That's just an additional attic access right here. And looks like attic access over here. Is this a fire burning?
Yes.
Wood burning? Awesome.
Yeah, I thought I'd rather have fire than
The gas.
burning than the gas.
Yeah.
Plus, we don't want to use gas. We don't want to put gas in.
Yeah, exactly. Awesome. This is I really like the sliding door. It's very large, well built.
Yep.
I don't see any low spots in the yard other than what's not sodded. Really nice little porch out here with some spotlights, gutters all the way around. This brick is really beautiful. See if we can go to the other side and see the driveway that he was talking about for the golf cart. Oh, there we go. Sort of a sidewalk. That's pretty neat though. He said the HOA did not approve it, but the builder had done it anyway, and they said oh well, I guess you'll just keep it. All right. And that concludes our video.